You've come to the right place if you're a huge fan of automobiles and the newest, most cutting-edge technological gear. We all enjoy accessorizing our automobiles to give them a sophisticated look. Let's look at the top 5 nicest and most practical automobile accessories that can enhance your driving pleasure. Because these devices are definitely worth the money. If you're interested, keep watching. Number 1. Macally Cup Holder Tray for Car. You can enjoy a meal and catch up on your favorite shows well parked with the Macally Car Cup Holder Table Tray with Phone Slot. A circular table tray with a phone slot that connects to your car's cup holder. You may use the tray as storage or move it out of the way while driving thanks to the mount's adjustable arm and swivel base. Instead of balancing your burger and fries on your lap while driving, use the table tray to comfortably consume your food. Number 2. Vantrue S1 4K Dashcam Built-in GPS Speed. Vantrue, a Chinese business, offers a dual-camera system called the OnDash S1. It records in full HD with a fairly wide 170-degree lens for the front-facing camera. The front-facing camera has a tiny LCD on the back for menu navigation and watching recorded video. The Vantrue S1 uses a supercapacitor in place of a battery, guaranteeing that there is sufficient power to securely cease recording and store footage each time the car is shut off. Built-in GPS is a unique feature for a dashcam at this pricing point. Number 3. Vinx GPS Tracker for Vehicles 4G LTE. Because it has a number of capabilities to track the position of the automobile and keep an eye on its health, Vinx is the ideal tracker for your vehicle. It can be used almost everywhere because it utilizes a global SIM card. Additionally, it connects via an OBD2 connector, thus charging is not required. Users of the gadget may also specify geofence locations, which makes it simpler to define virtual alert boundaries. Vinx assists users in looking for local gas stations, logs fuel fill-ups, and notifies users when gasoline needs to be refilled. This tool's user-friendly setup method and small design make it possible for users to operate effectively. Number 4. Kwak's Car Air Freshener Solar Energy Air Purifier. Kwak's Car Air Freshener Solar Energy Air Purifier is directly driven by solar energy, which rotates the motor. It's technologically advanced, environmentally sustainable, and battery-free. Ocean perfume masks the smell of cigarettes and fills the carriage with a pleasant aroma. It's a soothing, non-irritating fragrance made from pure plant extraction essential oil that is suitable for children and pregnant people. A crystal ball is rotated by 2 rings using solar energy, much like an interstellar screen. Number 5. FLIK Original Middle Finger Light. The middle finger light for the car is the ideal tool towards expressing your dislike for other motorists. It's a straightforward yet powerful strategy for making your message. And it's the ideal present for that particular someone who enjoys using their voice while traveling. The first add-on for cars and trucks that reduces aggravation while driving. The remote may be safely attached to the dashboard or to your keychain, while the hand light is secured to the inside back window. And that's it for our top 5 car gadgets that are totally worth buying. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to be notified of our next videos, and I'll see you in the next one.